Today my purpose is to discuss regarding different variants of creams. There are mainly two variants of creams available in the market. One is dairy and non-dairy creams. So in dairy, there are 35% dairy creams, which is mainly used for cooking as well as whipping purpose. And then there is a cooking cream only, which is less fat content, 15-20%, which is in variants is available. And then it comes blended cream, which can be used for whipping purpose as well as the cooking applications. And then there is a sweet cream available, which normally comes in non-dairy format, which has a sugar in it. You don't need to add sugar, so it is only used for the whipping application. And then cooking as well as the whipping cream, this is also blended creams. So these are the different variants of creams available with us and in the market. So if you see cream ingredients, you have to see what is the ingredients. Some cream contains water is the first ingredients. Some, if it is a dairy cream, it contains cream first. Or if it is a blended, you will find a buttermilk as the first ingredients. So kindly check all before you buy any cream. And if you have any doubts about this or any other products, you can reach to us on our WhatsApp number or you can email us. Thank you very much.